Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have two Hot Wheels cars right here today. First one we have is a 1963 Studebaker Champ. So let's crack this one open. Hot Wheels trucks. Alright, let's get to it already. Oh, that came out easily. Alright, here is the Studebaker Champ. Look at that. Put it right there. Taking a look at this car, very retro. Pretty cool black, red, and a gold color. Has a nice finishing stripe on top of the car. Very nice chrome wheels on it with some bunch of tampos on it in 1963. With some cool painting on the car. Has a pretty cool back of the car. It's all red. Look at that. Has Studebaker on the side. The top is gold. The bottom has a very nice kind of red outline on the car. And the interior is very red too. So yeah, look at that. I'll probably wear a glove so I can like hold these cars. Hold up. I don't want to get them dirty. I got some gloves. Oh. Alright, got a glove, so let's go take that. There it is. There we go. Studebaker. So let's take a look at the next car. So let's crack it open. Oh yeah, this is the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02 from Hot Wheels Green Speed. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to use this glove so I can hold the car. Look at that. So let's take a look at the car on our rotator. Alright, take a look at this car. Very futuristic car we have here. Really love the baby blue. Has no front headlight tampos, but you can still see the headlights and the Nissan logo. It says Nissan Intelligence Mobility. The whole top of the car is just made out of the glass. There's no back headlight tampos. Very strange, but you can still see the headlights and the Nissan logo. Very nice chrome red around the wheels. Same thing on the side, both black paint job on there. One side is blue, one side's black, and it also has gray tampo on top of the car right there on the hood. Look at that. But yeah, guys, take a look at this car, eh? Wow. All right, guys, just put that and put the Studebaker. And yeah, guys, that will be all for the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.